Now first, a little bit of housekeeping. I did start up a Minds account and a Parlor, you call it? I don't know. These will be the screen names, because I will be posting some funny things, meme stuff, whatever, I don't know. Going back to our failure of sandblasting last time, but I do want to save the material that's inside. It's not a lot, but I may just vacuum it. Should have some still in there. Because I did buy some new stuff. We got some coal byproducts. Okay, that's the 2040 grit. And that's the 3060 grit. So I'm going to be using, I think, the more aggressive grit first.
What's this over here?
You never heard of grits?
Sure, I heard of grits. I just actually never seen a grit before.
What I will be doing in the future is having like those buckets you see at Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, and that's where I want to keep all my sandblast material. To try to keep it segregated.
Problematic language. Her words, not mine.
To reuse it as many times as I can. And I forgot, well, I didn't forget to get them, but you've seen the last episodes and snow. I still got snow. And it snowed last night. And it's going to snow tonight. It's going to snow tomorrow. So I'm going to be using one of these mini Shop-vacs, which I actually use it as my office vacuum because it's small, it's lightweight, better than those Dirt Devil thingies, and no batteries. Just plug it in and bam. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, besides a lot of sand. Yes, I'm indoors because it's freaking cold. What the hell's all this shit? This is just a temporary thing, but I will be using a lot of these buckets because they're better. They come with a cap. You want to store these in a low humidity environment so they doesn't clog up and whatnot. Somehow that's oddly satisfying. Now last time I had some issues with the big compressor and the fuse blowing. You can't see me. So I busted out this little small guy. It goes up to 100 and change PSI. It should be good enough. Maybe crank it up to its full max. As you guys can tell, I like my quick disconnects. Alright.
You shit yourself?
So I'm going to flip it on. Crank up the pressure to the max. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to rock.
What do you wanna do with your life? I wanna rock!
Of course. Okay, so one of the big problems, I'm not sure if you can see, but it is working very nicely. But, small tank, pressure drops fast, so you gotta wait. That's what happens when you don't have a good supply of 15 amps. But definitely nice. I want to get some of this gunk, that wool they used as a gasket. I do want to get that crap out. It's almost done. And maybe clean up this thread a little bit and then hit it up with paint. Check that out. Tell me that's not badass. Nice white metal. This is what the other stuff did, or didn't do. So we're going to do this one as well and see how this comes out. Okie smoky. Yeah, it's a little awkward, but you get the hang of it. And that is it. Oi, get out. Alright, check that out. Now this one I rushed a little bit, so you can see still some stuff. I just wanted to show it because it was a nice before and after from bam to but I'm really happy how these turned. Gravity, my nemesis. Really happy how these turned out. Oh wow, it actually separated this. Alright, so now what's next is these two pieces that I have to cut off. I'm going to have to weld. Now you can see where the grind wheel went in, the thickness, and there I just kind of snapped it off. What I'm going to do is chamfer these edges a little bit on the bench grinder, and it looks almost like I could get away without taking material off. Now it's not going to be the same length, but that's not very critical. And I can just weld these two. And I'll show you a little trick how I'm going to do that. So it was sunny. Now we got this. What the hell happened? Time to get to work anyways.
School has begun. The summer is over. I am in command. What do you think you're doing? Twisted Sister. What kind of a man desecrates a defenseless textbook? I've got a good mind to slap your fat face. You are destroying your life with that garbage.